Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see one more interesting activity for the toddlers and kindergarten. Come, let's go into the video. First, I have taken empty or waste series and pasted cardboard in the middle to hide the hole. Now paste the two sides with the plain white paper. After pasting the two sides with the white paper, paste some pictures related to the alphabet A. Since I'm doing alphabet spinner, you can paste the pictures related to letter A. You can take a printout or you can cut from your old textbooks. So it's easy. You can use this as a teaching guide or the children or for homeschooling for the kindergarten and toddlers. Of any color, cut a circle the size of the CD. Now write letter A, alphabet A, and place it over the CD with the pictures and secure it with a screw. Now make a slit there. Now it's ready. Now do it same for the letter B too. Now the same thing for B, and this is the finished one. Thank you friends. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you.